Hey guys, what's up? If you're new to the channel, welcome to the channel. Go ahead and check out my other videos if you haven't seen them already. This is the brand new 2023 Subaru BRZ in base model, or what they call here, or sorry, what they call it here is the premium model. So this is the first impressions video, man. I just got the car, literally just picked it up off the lot today, and I've only driven it maybe 12 kilometers. So it's you know, it's a true first impressions, and I'm obviously not going to be driving it for this video. I'm just going to be walking around it because I don't have a good setup right now. My first impressions, man, look wise, dude, this thing is beautiful. It has an amazing side profile. I think that's one of my favorites about it, is the side profile. The rear right now, so I have some issues with the exhaust, but that's not really you know, it's something that can be changed, and I'll make a separate video on my hates and likes for the car. But for the time being, this thing is insanely good. It looks so nice. I'm really happy to have it, honestly. I'm happy I never got the first gen. I never liked the first gen as much. I would not be this excited for the first gen. Compared to the cars I've owned, however, I can say that this is the best performing one, because the car I came from was a Veloster N, which was a manual. Sorry about that, I'm not too sure what that's about. The second car I had before the Veloster was an Audi TT, 2-liter turbo. And that thing was a dual clutch transmission. So before that, it came from a 370Z. So if you guys have any questions about this car, this is the 6-speed automatic. If you guys have any questions at all, please let me know. Comment below and I will make a separate video on your question, going in depth with anything that you need to know. I don't know much about this car yet, but I'm gonna be, trust me, I'm gonna be breaking this thing down because I really want to know everything about it. And I'll be modifying it later on. Right now, I'm not thinking about mods, except maybe the exhaust, because car is way too quiet. And that exhaust is giving me OCD issues, because it literally, like, if I'll show you guys right now, like, it's literally not even flush with the diffuser, and it's such a pain to look at. But this is the only issue here. Maybe even the fitment, but you know, stock cars, they come with this kind of fitment, so I'm not too surprised with that. Man, trunk space as well, it's pretty nice. Definitely the smallest trunk I think I've ever had. But again, like, it's really nice. I really don't care. I'm not going to be like putting in luggage or anything like that. So let's look at the inside from the passenger side here. Yeah, man, it's clean. It's very basic, but it's so good to, it's nice to have basics sometimes, you know, instead of all that random technology in the cars. Like, this thing has everything you need, but it doesn't have too much. Driving it was something else. There it is, the unfortunate automatic. But honestly, guys, I will let you guys know right now, after driving a manual, I loved it, but the Veloster had a very clunky manual. That's why I actually traded it in. I wasn't a big fan of the manual, plus it was not rear-wheel drive, and it was not a coupe, it was more of a hatchback. And I wanted something sporty like this one. But yeah, the manual was great. I love manual, don't get me wrong, but this automatic feels so much better than most cars I've driven. It looks way better in person, guys. So do not judge by the camera quality or the view here. It looks better in person, I'm telling you. Two issues that I've noticed so far. Let's go drive by. So two issues that I've noticed so far. Yeah, we get it. Your car's loud, bro, still. So there's two issues. They're not mechanical issues, and I don't think I have a bad lemon, but something on this side of the car here, specifically the driver's side left wheel, front wheel, I should say, something is very odd about it. There's like this flapping noise, which I don't really understand. I think it might have to do with, like, because the car is new, there might be something in the car that's actually still on, like a piece of plastic or something. I can't seem to find anything. Like, this thing's clean. And again, it doesn't sound like a mechanical issue, and I would feel it if it was a mechanical issue, but it's not. Another thing that I've instantly noticed about this car was the throttle. Now, I'm not a big fan of cars with throttle delay. This car has a bit of that throttle delay, and I'm sure with a tune You can get rid of that. Throttle delay is not that serious, but it's still something that I wish they got rid of, especially for a 2023. When it comes to the feel of the actual car inside, it's so comfortable. I mean, it's more comfortable than I expected it to be, because the Veloster was very comfortable as well. It kind of felt like a family car, but this one I feel like is more comfortable. I don't know, maybe it's just me. This car is amazing. If you guys do want one, or if you guys are tempted to buy an automatic over a manual because your manual is not here yet, like me, then I would say go for it, man. It's great. It also depends on what you use it for. For me, it's a daily, so I'm going to be driving it every single day. Rain or shine, snow, thunderstorm, hurricane, freaking tornadoes, I don't care. I'm driving this thing. I'm not going to drive it in deep snow. No way. But for now, I will be driving this thing every single day. So I'll also be trying my best to learn as much about it as I can, just for you guys and for my own knowledge, so that I don't mess up something. There's some details I didn't go into, but for now, guys, I'm gonna end this video here. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Once again, ask some questions if you have any, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out, guys.